Neomed Eustachi device to pop your ears safely. So basically the box opens up, nice little package, has a little travel case, has 2 different covers. I'm not sure if you can use it for other people or just in case it gets overused. Basically you just place batteries in it that comes with it. You press a button and that's it. That's the cover you just place on there that you can change interchangeably. Let's get right to it. So this is your device, and then once you press that button, that's what it sounds like. Basically, take your device, take your finger, close one nostril, create a tight seal by pressing that inside there. Breathe in, breathe out, and then you're going to press right in and try to swallow. I'm just showing you here, you're swallowing while you're pressing the button. You don't have to tilt your head back, and you'll feel your ears popping. You'll feel a little pressure. First time you use it might feel a lot of pressure, but over time it'll get better and better. The other side, close one nostril, and then you're going to take your device, place it in there, create a tight seal, breathe out, breathe in, and then have your mouth shut and swallow while you're holding the button. And then you should right away feel your ears pop, a little like glue type sensation. You can try and move your mouth around and just help relieve a little pressure. Basically what's inside the box is going to tell you that this is not used to clean the earwax, and it's not to help get water that's trapped in the ear after swimming. And then on the side it just tells you how to use it, and that's about it. Pretty simple, straightforward, nothing to it, easy to use, helps a little bit. But overall, thank you for watching.